Hey everybody, back again with another awesome Mustang. This is a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback S Code 390 GT, and it is beautiful. This car was sold new in Greenville, Tennessee. It retains all of its original metal. It's never had any patch panels. And even better, it retains its entire factory drivetrain, numbers matching engine, transmission, rear end, carburetor, distributor, radiator, all the good stuff. This car is very straight. Paint on it is very nice. Has the original door tag, candy apple red S Code, Parchment interior with a bench seat. It's a C6 automatic. You can see how nice the quarters are. They've never been replaced. Door jambs are really nice and detailed. Power disc brakes, very nice dash pad. Steering wheel's got a little bit of wear. 62,000 actual miles. The dash is in immaculate shape. The headliner's in excellent condition. This car is just as beautiful in person as it is in the pictures, in the video. It's hard to get the red to pop. It's got the original glass, dated 8A. Car was built in February. Get the trunk key here. That's not it. Give me just a second. You can tell a good Mustang if these are nice and straight. Still got the date stampings. Both sides. Really nice trunk jambs. Correct spare. Still see all the factory spot welds here. Beautiful car. Trap door for the fold down rear seat. Really nice trunk floors. Never been replaced. Like I said, all original metal. It's really straight body. Nothing to hide on this car. All the gaps are really nice. There's the original dash tag. hood. Bottom of the hood's real nicely detailed. There's the 390. There's the buck tag. Original fenders. Original fender aprons. Looks like an original radiator hose. Still got the heat shield and the snorkel. Correct plug wires. Correct distributor. Correct Formoco radiator. There's the VIN on the apron. Just a really nice car. Correct powered by Ford valve covers. Like I said, it's got the original carburetor distributor. The block is 8A. The car was built in February. So get it started up here. Original door tag. Might have showed you that already. Fires right up. Sounds really good. Beautiful 68 Mustang S Code. All original metal, all original drivetrain. Really hard to find in this condition. It's turnkey, ready to drive. It's factory candy apple red car, parchment interior with a bench seat. I've got all the date codes on the engines, on the engine, transmission, the rear end. Got pictures of all of it. Thanks for watching.